Hey guys, thanks for clicking on the video. Today I'm on my way out to West Point Quarry. West Point Quarry is a little over an hour from my house. It's just down the road a little ways from Red Granite Quarry. It's in an area I think that's classified as Lorville, and we're going to be meeting out there with one of the local dive teams. One of their guys that's newer to the team, got on earlier this year, is going to be finishing up his full face mask certification. I did get hit up by quite a few people when I was out at Red Granite Quarry asking about if there was a bus down there, and what I think they're referring to is probably the bus that's out at West Point Quarry. They've probably seen some videos online and had a chance to see that and thought it was in Red Granite Quarry. So what we're going to do is we're going to get out, we're going to get Garrett through some full face mask drills, and we'll take a little tour of some of the sites that are in West Point Quarry. For those divers that are out there that are interested in checking the quarry out themselves, it is a private quarry or privately rented quarry and has controlled access, but if you contact Anthony at Mountain Bay Scuba, he'll be able to set you up with one of their upcoming events, and you should be able to have an opportunity to go out there and dive it. One of the things that stands out about this quarry is they've been doing a lot of updates to it, which included nice pea gravel to walk on, helps keep your gear clean. They've got several tables set up so that you can set your gear up, throw it on your back, and jump in the water. And they do have a lot more stuff underwater than a typical quarry. So they've got 3 boats, a little plane fuselage, a snowmobile, a couple skeletons, and of course the Cobeson white bus, which is, I think it's probably one of those 16-passenger transport vehicles. One of the things that's nice about this place also is that for public safety dive teams, we get the opportunity to set up more scenarios there, and with everything they've got down there, and it gives us a little more of a variety, a little more latitude to make some more realistic training for the people on the dive team. The other thing that's decent about it is for some reason it's clearer than Red Granite Quarry. So when Red Granite's sitting at 5 to 10 feet, you're usually able to get about 10 to 15 feet at Lorville. Right now we're mid-July. It's been pretty hot, it's been pretty sunny, so I'm a little concerned that we're going to get a lot of green in the water, but I'm hoping that at least it's going to be better than what Red Granite is, and hopefully the visibility is decent enough that it ends up being an enjoyable dive, and I'm going to be able to get some good video to put together for you so you can see what's all down there. So stay tuned and check it out. Thanks. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed the little tour of West Point Quarry. Congrats to Garrett, he did a fantastic job. We ended up getting through 2 full dives. We got all the skills that he needed for full face mask, and we had a chance to slip in a little bit of compass work while we were down there, going from the boat out to the bus, back to the boat, back to the dock, taking a little tour around it. Got hit a lot of spots. The visibility was all right. I think we had about 8 to 10 feet. A lot of times we get 12 feet, sometimes more. I think we've even had up to 30 feet in the winter. So it wasn't as good a visibility as usual, but still was fairly decent. Again, it is a private quarry, so if you're interested in checking it out, just give Anthony a call at Mountain Bay, and they can let you know when they've got events coming up, and you'll be able to get out there. So again, thanks for clicking on the video, sticking around to the end, and happy diving.